What's up, guys? Mylan Weedman here with Farm Fresh Las Vegas. Just wanted to do a quick little unboxing video of the seeds that came in the mail. I've actually got them a few days ago. Haven't had time to open them, but it's high time. I got some more seeds in the ground. We need to get some microgreens planted so we can harvest and sell them. This little box right here cost me about $300. So let's see what's inside. Let's check it out. Got these little barbecue scissors that I bought. I usually like to cut the microgreens with them, but dual use it. Okay, here we go. Read off the product list. Oh, I guess I only spent $235.20. We got stevia. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. 500 seeds. The stevia, I'm actually going to, well, let's get it out and see. Wow, okay. So, this is $32 worth of seeds right there. Stevia seeds. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to grow it out to plant size. Then I'm going to harvest the leaves one by one, freeze dry them, and put them in chocolate. You know, I went to go buy some stevia extract and found that it was just this white mystery powder. So that didn't really sit well with me. I thought I'd buy my own stevia seeds, grow out the plant, freeze dry the leaves. I actually tried one of the stevia leaves, and they're super sweet. So they're delicious. That's going to be a winner. So for people that are sensitive to sugar, that's what that's for. We're gonna make some stevia sweetened chocolate bars. All right, Purple Haze hybrid carrots. Purple Haze. Gosh, I'm in the grow room in the basement. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. My eyes are bloodshot, and we're opening up the Purple Haze hybrid carrots. What do you know about that? Okay, this is $39 worth of seeds. That's a quarter pound of seeds. It ain't cheap. Okay, here's a good one. Beets. I'm really excited to grow some beets. So, okay, I think I got a few beets. Cylindra beets, that's what this is. This is $23 worth of beet seeds. So, when you buy your microgreens flat, you know where that money went. Alright. Cool. Alright. Keep fragile live seed. Keep cool and dry. Oh, I'm really excited about this. What is it? What is it? Cantaloupe. This has got to be the cantaloupe. Early Wonder Tall Top Red Beets. No, this is beets. This is more beets. Alright, cool. Well, I guess beets it is. Beets are on the menu, guys. So let me see where so that's Purple Haze right there. Here's the catnip. Can you believe it? I'm going to grow out some catnip because the thing is I have these quail in the backyard, and if I let these quail get out, they get eaten immediately. I don't care if it's nighttime, it's daytime. The cats come, they can hear them, they can smell them. They come and they slaughter my quail. So guess what, guys? I've tried to catch them for years, and I've taken them to the pound. I've taken them to parks, let them go, just get them out of my neighborhood. It doesn't work. They keep on coming back, so finally, we're going to grow some catnip, and we're going to get these cats stoned. 7 to 10 day germination, that's kind of long, so stay tuned for that. If you're a cat lover and you want to get your cat messed up in about, let's see how long it takes to grow to maturity, 6 to 8 weeks, hit me up in 6 to 8 weeks. And we'll get your cat messed up in in a good psychedelic cat kind of way. Okay, so that's the stevia. Ooh, that's the hybrid cantaloupe. Bugger all. How much was that? So, this is $11 for this? Are you kidding me? Okay. I guess these two are $11. So, we're going to do some cantaloupe microgreens. And, yeah, just know that costs $11 when you're eating those microgreens, and they're packed with 40 times the nutrient density as the adult plant. Just know where your money's going. All right. Crimson sweet watermelon. I'm not sure why I bought these. I don't have the room to grow watermelon. I might have to go do some guerrilla growing down by the river. But on a happier note, look at all these stinking beet seeds. That's like 10 pounds of beet seeds. I'm going to get sprouting beets like tonight. In fact, let me show you what I've been up to. So you buy these compress coconut cakes, right? And you mix them with water. I don't know if you can see that, but they expand, and just the whole thing expands. And a little compress expands to like the size of this room almost. Anyways, I'm gonna sprout some beets tonight. Thanks for watching. 6 to 8 weeks. If you have cats, or if you want to get some cats stoned, hit me up, because I've got the catnip seeds, and we're gonna grow them as a serious enterprise. Just a little recap. What is this? This is more beets. So we got two. These are cylindra beets. I think those are they're not round. They're cylindrical. So they're great for canning. You can chop them up. They're not going to roll around while you're trying to chop them. I think that's why they're good. All right, guys. Check the website. I think we've got oranges and mangoes coming up. So farmfreshlasvegas.org. And buy that fruit. I'm going to try and have some microgreens ready for sale on Saturday, but no promises. This farming thing is tricky. So, all right. Thanks again for listening.